A fair coin with one face marked 1 and the other marked 2 is tossed, and a standard fair cubical die is rolled. The number showing on the coin is subtracted from the number showing on the dice to give us a value of the random variable x. Determine the probability function and draw a graph of that function. So what we could do is put the coin here, 1 and 2, and put the die up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if we roll a 1, toss a 1 on the coin, then 1 is going to be subtracted from what we get on the die. And therefore the outcome will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. If we toss a 2 on the coin, then we'll subtract that. So we'll get -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can see that the possible outcomes are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Note here that we have an outcome of -1. That's not a problem. The problem is only if the probability is negative. Now, the probability of that -1, note that there are 12 values in the table, and there's just one of those, so that's 1 out of 12. 0, there's 2 of those, so that's 2 out of 12. There's 2 1s, so that's 2 out of 12. And we can see going across here that these are all 2 out of 12 until we get to the 5, and then that is 1 out of 12. Now, if we want to produce a graph of that, and of course you should use a ruler and possibly even squared paper, but I'm just going to do a sketch of it. So we'll have the probability up here, the values of x here. So we've got -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And up here, we would want a 12th and 2 12ths, which of course is 1/6. And then we would do a line graph like this. So these are all 2 12ths until we get to the 5, which is 1/12 again.